Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making some chocolate and vanilla gluten-free cupcakes. And since everything was so expensive, we got our lovely store-bought chocolate frosting. We are also going to be making fondant. First, with any baking, you need to wash your hands. Step 1, how to wash hands. Turn on the water. Step 2. Step 2. Get all the crevices, every last bit of that. Step 2 is to put your hair up. Okay, so now that we got our hair done, so we're gonna bake the vanilla cupcakes first. We're going to use the electric mixer, and then we're just gonna follow the instructions on the back. Okay, so first things first, get your electric mixer, get them like I'd say a large bowl because this is definitely a medium-sized bowl. So one more thing before we jump right into everything, we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna go on the bottom and we're gonna go to bake. And then we're gonna go to 350 degrees. We use the beater towel because it gets a better consistency for the batter. We're gonna use this large bowl. And when making cupcakes, you always wanna start with your dry ingredients first. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to put in this bowl is going to be the mix. We're just gonna pour all of that in there. Next thing that we have to do is put in the water. Wait for the butter to melt. So we're almost there. Since it's a stick and it was frozen, I'm doing it about every 30 seconds. But usually I would recommend doing it at like 15 seconds with like softened butter, because if you put it in for too long, it will explode. And we do not want that. Butter is ready. This is a half cup of butter. We're just gonna pour in the butter.
Juicy.
So I'm gonna have to crack 2 eggs, which I always get shells in them, so. Oh, that is not there.
Chicken.
Gluten-free
Uno.
extract.
Dos.
And now that we've added everything to our bowl, we are going to mix it.
Mix your batter like you mix your emotions. You just gotta beat the crap out of it.
We're going to beat it at low speed for 30 seconds, and then we're going to increase the speed once it's smooth, which is right about now, to medium for 2 minutes. It's gonna get the nice consistency that we want for the cake, so it's nice and moist, and it gets all like the air bubbles out and everything. Now we have to get out our muffin tin and put our little baking cups into the muffin tin so that the batter doesn't get all over, and then it's kind of difficult to get it, obviously, but that's just common sense, so I'm not gonna make you feel stupid with yourself like I just did, just saying that. Now that we are done putting our little muffin cups into our muffin pan, tin pan, we're gonna put our batter in.
By the way, I didn't put enough batter in this, so don't listen to me. That is actually 12, and that's how much they were supposed to make, and then I made them too small. So when you're doing this, just do 12 and don't use 2 pans like I did unless you want dry cupcakes.
Now we're going to start our chocolate cupcake batter.
I am very strong. Don't let this fool you. I'm just trying to show people that maybe have the muscles of SpongeBob, that it's very difficult. So you might want to, lift weights like I did. So yeah.
First, we have to pour our lovely chocolate cupcake mix into the bowl. Get it all in there, like that dust right in my face. Bother showing me the microwave again, because we already know that I need 1 stick of butter. And we need 3/4 cup of water. We're gonna pour all of that in there. Very nice, I know. Oh, it's great. The butter is ready to go in the mixer. Very nice, I know. Oh, I love the sound. I'm gonna crack my eggs, and I'm not that good at it, so bear with me. I think I just saw like a whole shell go in there. That's okay. All my eggshells out of there. We're gonna pour this bad Larry in.
Delicious.
Do the same thing again. We're gonna do low speed for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna do medium speed for 2 minutes.
Mix that. Yeah, good job. Yeah.
But we're good. Let's get these in the oven. Now I'm going to frost the cupcake. We're going to use a large bowl. Do not use metal. We are going to start by sifting the 2 cups of confectionery sugar. So first, it is very important to sift your confectionery sugar. It calls for 2 pounds of confectionery sugar, and if you don't sift it, it won't come out the same because you need to get all those unwanted like chunks in your sugar out. And yeah, there's a lot of sugar in there, so I'm just gonna transfer it to this. Oh. It's a big boy. So now, we are going to put 1/4 cup of cold water, and then we are going to sprinkle the unflavored gelatin. This is 1 tablespoon. Water. So now we just have to do it until it is dissolved and clear. I just added 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and now I'm going to add my vanilla. First, I need to make sure this is well blended. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm really nervous. I'm going to pour this in the well. I'm scared. I'm going to knead it until it is all blended. I'm glad that I got a bigger bowl because this would have been a pain in the butt to, I can't even see the mixture anymore like that. And now we have our nice fondant. And I will show you the finished product. It is taking me like 5 hours to do this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up down below. If you disliked it, then please don't leave a dislike button, just leave. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Oops. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we have to get a muffin tin and put our little muffin, I don't know what these are called. Our baking cups. That's what they're called. I know you thought I forgot about my cupcakes, but I did not. Do the same thing. We're gonna do medium speed for 30 seconds and then up. Same thing, first at low speed for about 30 seconds, and then. So first we're gonna have to sift the flour. It is very important to sift the flour because it gets all that unwanted chunks out of the way. Did I say flour? I meant sugar.